Hey everybody, my name's Alvin Franklin. I work for Brainstorm Incorporated and I am a lead trainer. Here to talk to you a little bit about collaboration. When we think about collaboration that has occurred throughout our wonderful careers, a lot of us have worked on network drives. So I'll point to that one specifically and a couple of issues that occur when you have worked in that particular capacity. Number one, there can only be one person managing that file or working in that file at a time. Number two, I often found myself not having access to the most up-to-date version of the file. Well, Teams solves both of those issues. Teams, because that particular file now lives in the cloud, I now have an ability to create a collaborative space with many of my team members. So no one's left out when it comes to working collaboratively in real time. The other thing is that because it lives in the cloud, it is always going to be the latest and greatest version of that particular file. So what you have now been able to accomplish working in Teams versus what you've done previously is you've now gained a lot of productivity and you've also created a ton of efficiency for the folks that are going to be working on that file with you. So collaborating in Teams is the only way to go.